almost didn't make it to Indian Larry's. Had a whole issue with my pipe. Spent Thursday night fixing that with my boy Danimal. Yeah, but so, you know, we got it together, and now we're here in New York in my hotel room. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna go to bed. Oh, what's going on? Good morning, YouTube. We're over here at the Inn at Jericho. Gonna go meet up with the boys, get some breakfast before the block party. So, you know, yep. Who, me? Just hanging around. We're waiting for the boys at the gas station. We ain't hanging nothing, but we're fucking ripping and swerving and, you know, doing everything. I fucking love it. I say I don't like splitting lanes, and I actually don't, because, like, you know, it's numbers game. You know, the more you do something, here we go. Say what up, YouTube. Yeah. Yeah. Catch a little brekkie over here. Todd knows a spot over there next to that Subway, he said. Boom, boom. Nice little ride in. Hard body. Bro, the lanes are like a little tighter here.
Yeah?
I think so.
Yeah, once you cross into Queens, it gets tight.
Don't get me wrong, it's like, it's a good way to wake up. Say, hey, good morning, how are ya?
You got on the highway, it just sounded like a bad
Good morning. He goes, I guess that's what we're doing.
blinking, right? Yeah. There you go.
Where the fuck are we?
Fucking motherfucking Chinatown.
Hardware store, Chinatown.
Hardware store, Chinatown.
Here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
Here's the deal. We parked in Little Italy to get a couple fucking meatballs, and now look at us. We're getting nuts and bolts at the motherfucking T&Y.
The motherfucking TNY. Park your bike in fucking Little Italy and walk to Chinatown for some hardware. How you doing?
How you doing, little? How you doing, baby?
Good timing. All right, there we go. So we just left Indian Larry's. I think we're heading to like a stunt lot or something like that. Not sure yet, but we lost some guys, so let's see what happens. We found them, or they found us. Reunited once again. That's the important thing. Not bad. Yeah. All right, we're at the spot and there's nobody here.
Yeah, I don't know.
Honestly, looks like obviously this is a spot like that gets used all the time. Hell yeah.
We do this shit all day. I mean, this is a great view, though.
It's fantastic.
Quick cemetery.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. Brad said there was gonna be a bunch of people here. That's a lie.
So, not too many people at the lot. Obviously, there was like 2 people when we got there and then nobody else, but we're going to the beach now. It's a nut! All right, so yesterday, Todd did a whole exhaust job at Indian Larry's, and today we just figured out that his nut vibrated off. Little steak and potatoes. I go for a little steak and potatoes. Mashed potatoes? Oh, fuck, dude.
Nice meal, you know?
Yeah. I'm ready for it. I'm ready for it.
Meatballs and
All right, Home Depot and a steak. Here we are. We're at Home Depot.
FXR Life.
FXR Life.
Yeah.
Todd vibrated a nut off. We found it at the mall, or we didn't find the nut, but we found out that he vibrated a nut off. By the time we got here, he vibrated a second one off.
Yeah, and I don't know, man. It's part of life.
Yeah, it is.
Now,
But
our boys are going to get some, and we're gonna do it.
right.
And we'll get out. We'll eat some food.
Oh, hell yeah.
Probably not steaks. Maybe we'll hit an Applebee's half price apps after 10. You know what I mean? And yeah, we'll see.
That's it. We got lucky. We called up AutoZone and the last 10 minutes that they were open, and the homie that picked up the phone hooked it up and hid some nuts for us.
For the free.
Exactly.
$3.99.
That's right. So the boys are going to pick up the nuts, and yeah, we'll see.
Let's see how she ends up. We're gonna be happy eating some food in a little bit, hopefully. You're two nice looking bikes though, huh?
2 Harleys.
Look at that.
Hey. We got nuts, buddy. Well, he left 10?
We got grade 8 and grade 5.
Oh, just in case. You want 8, right?
Yeah. The highest level of education I got.
How was the trip?
Oh, I thought the feds were chasing us.
Seriously, they came flying up behind us.
Did they?
Yeah, I thought it was for us. I said, here come the cops. And Pete's like, let's fucking go.
The boys are here.
Dude, I was not fucking around waiting for that shit.
Because we were fucking on a sick one.
We're gonna grab some grub. I'm just waiting to get off the ferry. Oh, 3-hour drive real quick. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. My gas light's not on, but I'm probably gonna have to hit a gas station before hitting this fucking... I'm saying it's the last stretch, but really I barely done any riding. I rode for 40 minutes and then I got on the thing for 45, and now we're actually riding till we get home. It's gonna take a little bit. I wonder if homie's over here. No, there was a kid working here, so I pulled up on Friday because I almost was gonna take the ferry to Jeffport instead, but then my boy Todd told me to go the other way. But point is, there was a homie right there that just, you know, he helped me out, told me I could refund the ticket because I wouldn't be able to use it today. So that's cool. All right, well, 2 hours and 58 minutes. Try not to ride too dirty, because I don't even have my license on me. Yeah, I figured that out on the way here. I was stopping for gas. I was trying to buy a lighter, and the dude carded me, and when I pulled out my wallet, my ID wasn't in there. So, and welcome to North Haven. I'm gonna get some gas real quick. Looks like the gas station's filled up. Lady's got her reverse lights on. I'm not trying to get ran over. Didn't even fucking gas up right now. He fucking parked and go paid cash. That's when you tell the guy on the bike, hey man, you go ahead. You go first. Oh, no, whatever. Oh, baby. Hit the gas station, filled up, drank some water, smoked a little bit of weed. Now we're back to green, so that's cool, because things were getting a little, what's it, congested or something. Our GPS was turning yellow. But yep, now we're green. 2.5 hours to home, baby. Let's go. I don't know, well, somehow we ended up on Connecticut back roads. My GPS rerouted me, and I said, fuck it, send it. So this is actually like a pretty nice cruise. I tried the wheelie back there. I mean, I didn't try to wheelie, I did wheelie, but you know, it's just funny, like a wheelie's a wheelie, but if you're not at 12 o'clock, it ain't nothing no more. You can't hang it at balance point, you ain't shit. See, tell me you've been learning to wheelie without telling me you've been learning to wheelie. That right there is from coming down. Oh, my fucking coil came loose. Oh, I need some zip ties or something to figure something out. Fuck! Bro, check it out. Screw's still in there. I'm gonna run inside and just get a fucking screwdriver. They must sell screwdrivers in there. So you always carry a fucking multi-tool around, man. You know? When you fail to prepare, you prepare to fail. Alright. We got her back on there. She's pretty snug. I had to cut this, and I actually pretty sure I cross-threaded the thing back on there, because I don't know, the threads are, I think they're gone. I think it like ate it up or something, but I don't know. I need a new ignition switch housing now. Well, let's go. Not too bad. Now I can say home stretch. Let's fucking go. Yep. But we're home, basically. Not really. We might as well be. We'll be there soon enough. Especially because I'm not fucking waiting in this shit. I'd rather get pulled over and make some good content, right? Yeah, no, whatever. That's it, man. Hell of a trip. Fucking awesome. I'm almost home. Can't wait to see my dog. Hungry, happy, sleepy. It's a fucking lifestyle. If you watch this whole video, if you watch this vlog, if whatever, like, subscribe. Give me shit for splitting lanes if you're a fucking clown. Or leave a cool comment if you're a friend. I'll see you on the next one.